Ashama. Hello. Welcome to Afaan Oromoo Basics by Gumii Kakuu. Today in Lesson 7, we will take a look at numbers. Numbers, lakkoofsa. So let's start counting from 0 to 10. 0 yookiin duwwaa. Yookiin means or. So let's start again as you repeat after me. 0 yookiin duwwaa. Tokko. Lama. Sadii. Afur. Shan. Baay'ee gaarii. Very good. So now let's say it together. 0 yookiin duwwaa. Tokko. Lama. Sadii. Afur. Shan. Jaha yookiin ja'a. Torba. Saddeet. Sagal. Kudhan. Now let's say it together. Jaha yookiin ja'a. Torba. Saddeet. Sagal. Kudhan. Very good. Baay'ee gaarii. You can keep practicing by pausing the video and starting to count from a random number. Let's say 6. Ja'a, torba, saddeet, sagal, kudhan. Let's say 3. Sadii, afur, shan, ja'a, torba, saddeet, sagal, kudhan. You can also count backwards. Kudhan, sagal, saddeet, torba, ja'a, shan, afur, sadii, lama, tokko, 0. Great. Keep practicing and you'll be perfect. Kudha tokko. Kudha lama. Kudha sadii. Kudha afur. Kudha shan. Great. Let's say it together. Kudha tokko. Kudha lama. Kudha sadii. Kudha afur. Kudha shan. Great. Kudha jaha. Kudha torba. Kudha saddeet. Kudha sagal. Digdama. Baay'ee gaarii. Now let's look at some examples. 2 mangoes. Mango lama. 5 fingers. Quba shan. 15 birr. Qarshii kudha shan. Kudhan. Digdama. Soddoma. Afurtama. Shantama. Jaatama. Torbaatama. Saddeettama. Sagaltama. Dhibba. Okay, let's say it again. Kudhan. Digdama. Soddoma. Afurtama. Shantama. Jaatama. Torbaatama. Saddeettama. Sagaltama. Dhibba. Digdamii tokko. Digdamii lama. Digdamii sadii. Digdamii tokko. Digdamii lama. Digdamii sadii. Soddomii tokko. Soddomii lama. Soddomii sadii. Dhibba tokkoof tokko. Dhibba tokkoof lama. Dhibba tokkoof sadii. Dhibba lama. Dhibba sadii. Dhibba afur. Kuma tokko. Kuma lama. Kitila. Okay, now let's take an example. My phone number is 0912 34 56 78. Lakkoofsi bilbila koo duwwaa sagal kudha lama soddomii afur shantamii jaha torbaatamii saddeet. I'm sure you can pause this video and say your own number. Great, baay'ee gaarii. Very good. And now let's look at ordinals. Ordinal numbers are formed by adding the suffix fa or afa to the number. First, tokkofa. Second, lammafa. Third, sadafa. Fourth, arfafa. Fifth, shanafa. Sixth, jahafa. Seventh, torbafa. Saddeettafa. Sagalafa. Kurnafa yookiin kudhanaffaa. Kudha tokkoffaa. Kudha lammaffaa. Kudha sadaffaa. Great. Baay'ee gaarii. Very good. Fractions. 1/2 walakkaa yookiin tokko lammaffaa. 1/3 siisoo nuusii yookiin tokko sadaffaa. 1/4 kurmaana ruubii yookiin tokko arfaffaa. 7/8 torba saddeettaffaa. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to email us at kakuucollective@gmail.com. Please find accompanying materials for this lesson in the description below. Subscribe to our channels for more lessons and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram for updates on our activities. Thank you. Galatoma.